Hey everybody, it's Mark, Five Angels Outdoor, and we're here for another install. We're pretty excited about this one. We have our Patriot camper behind us, and what we have and what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a battery replacement. Currently, we have two AGM Group 31 batteries in here, old style. And I wanted to thank our friends over at LiTime for sending us two lithium Group 31 direct replacements that we're going to put into the trailer. Should be pretty cool. We'll actually end up having some more power. We got 165 amp hour batteries that we're going to put in here. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's check the ease of the install and let's see how this goes. All right, just to show you what they look like before we're going in. These are our LiTime batteries, 12.8 volts, 165 amp hours, group 31. So it'll be a direct replacement of our existing batteries. We're pretty excited to get these in. The current batteries are about 5 years old, so they're really hitting the end of the lifetime. So we're excited that LiTime has sent us these to try out. We can't wait to get them into the camper. All right, so here's our current setup. We have our two existing batteries hooked up in parallel. What we're going to have to do is do a little finagling, get these disconnected, get them pulled out, and get it ready in here for us to put the new batteries in. All right, let's see. So I think the first thing that we're going to do is get these butterflies loose from the tie downs. These keep the battery locked in place. All right, both of those are off. Alrighty, we will disconnect these existing batteries. First thing we'll do is we'll disconnect the positives. Oh. That's wrong size. Set that there. Pull these off. I'll get this other one off. Set these two off to the side, out of the way. Now we'll get these negatives loose. All right. All right, so the batteries are disconnected. and we're ready to pull them out. We'll see how heavy these are. The LiTimes are 35 pounds. These AGMs are going to be, I would estimate, just a little bit more heavy. Let's get these out. All right, time to try to pull these out. Let's see what we can do, see what kind of leverage I can get. That's one. Let me get it, pull it and get it out of the way. Oh, Jesus. All right, I can guarantee to you that these AGMs are much more heavy. Woo! All right, let's get the second one out. So it is time to get the batteries in there back again. So this should be a lot easier than getting the other ones out. Like I said, these are only 35 pounds. So lowering these into place is a lot easier. So that's one. We'll get this other one up here. Pinching. Right, that's that tight down. There we go. All right, they are in there. Time to strap them down. All right, time to strap these down. We have the posts. These lined up. There's one, two. All right. Now we just have to get the wing nut saw back on. All right, batteries are secure. All right, time to get some hookups done. So we do have the negatives. I'll do the ground wires first. All right, let's get that tightened up. tight. All right, and that's all the ground connected. Now we'll need to get the power, the hot side connected. Start with the second battery. Just be careful where this other terminal touches. Keep it up and out of the way. All right, nice and tight. And we have the other side, positive. All right, time to get these positives connected. I just dropped something off my ankle. Oh. Get this terminal tightened. All right, all tightened up. All right, so now what we need to do is get this red arc system all set up. So we are gonna confirm battery settings. We're gonna find we have lithium and what do we got? 165. It's actually 330. Whoop, going the wrong direction. So two 165s gives us 330 amp hours. We're going to confirm. I guess we can set the date. All right, so we have the power plugged in here. So we have shore power coming in, and the red arc is tracking that we have voltage coming in. So really at this point, we are going to see how long it takes us to get us fully charged. Right now it's in boost, Touring mode. You can see the current voltage, and then we'll go from there. But the biggest thing I want to be able to see is that the red arc battery management system properly calculates what it's going to take to charge these batteries and get them going. Hey, there you have it. LiTime batteries installed into the Patriot camper. You can see this is a tight squeeze. It's by no means convenient to change these batteries, so we're looking for some great performance out of these. so we don't have to worry about that again. But what we're going to do is we're going to check charge times, we're going to check performance over the course of the next couple of trips we have planned. But we look forward to get some good usage out of these LiTime batteries. Thank you, LiTime, for sending them out. And I hope you like this video. And we will check in on you as we progress and as we use them. Thanks for watching.